In this lesson, we're going to create an enemy. In this particular case, a bee, but as I mentioned before, you can create an enemy about whatever object you particularly case, with a dragon or a dinosaur or something similar. It's exactly the same routine as we created a collectible. So we need to go to scene, new scene, other node, area 2D, because we used area 2D previously, we've already got it in our recent section. So double click on area 2D, double click, and we're going to call this B. Again, we need two things, the collision shape. So right click, add child node, collision shape 2D. Right click, add child node, sprite 2D. With the collision shape selected, don't know why that didn't appear there, but anyway, with the collision shape selected, shape, we're going to go for a circular type shape again, because the B in this case is a circular type shape. So circle shape, sprite 2D. Inside the assets folder, we got a B image already prepared. Drag that into the texture folder. Again, this is a bit too big, so we're going to use the same routine with the sprite 2D selected, transform, scale 0.25, and you can see that will then appear as it should do there. Now let's not forget to select collision shape. If you can't see the collision shape, drag the collision shape underneath the sprite. With the collision shape selected, go to the pointer or selection tool, and in this particular case we don't need to cover everything on the actual bee, as long as it actually collides with something that collides with it, i.e. the player, and as long as we can detect them collisions, everything's fine. So with that already done, I'm going to drag the collision shape back over the sprite 2D, and we're going to save this, save scene, in the scenes folder as B, save. Now you can see, because we got a workflow going here that's very consistent, all these items are very easy to actually create. We can test that again with the folder. You can just see it in the top corner there, but just for now that's perfectly fine because there's no errors anywhere, and we can crack on with the next one. Okay, the next one we're going to be looking at is an exit transition. So as and when the player collects all the objects in the level, they would then make contact with the transition, and that would then transition them then to the next level. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video.